procedure is well known for its excellent effect from the fat transplantation. However, in terms of improving health, it is also really effective. I can say this with certainty because I have experienced it. I would like to recommend to those whose health has deteriorated a lot to look into the stem cells treatment before taking medicine or having big surgeries. This is because stem cells are a therapy that can fundamentally solve the body problems because they strengthen the body's immunity and also regenerate and activate the aging cells. For example, my knee was suffering a lot from cartilage wear and pain for a long time, but the cartilage was regenerated through the stem cell treatment. So it was possible to treat my knee without surgery. It was amazing. This was the first time. I can see why the stem cells are said to be the future of medicine. It doesn't matter how well the people know about it, but it seems that it will soon become a very popular therapy that cannot be separated from our lives. I was actually able to receive this stem cell therapy through IACS. IACS is a place that studies the stem cells and their amazing effect and shares the result with other doctors interested in this field. From the e-learning to know-how from a doctor who has successfully performed stem cell therapy with more than 1,500 cases to tips on extracting a large amount of stem cells, various lectures, and hands-on sessions that are available for those who want to know more about stem cells and those who want to start stem cell therapy themselves. People come from all over the world. If you want to prepare for future medicine, please visit IACS unconditionally and do not miss it. This was an amazing experience for me, and of course I think for a lot of people that experience the same procedures and treatment, like me. So please follow their pages and stay up with the news. Stem cell therapy will be the future of medicine.